With the FIM Flexy Shade, you have the opportunity to configure a system that provides sleek and stylish sun protection to cover any area. All of our shade systems resist corrosion with aluminum construction and stainless steel hardware. Individual parts can be easily replaced to ensure the longevity of our product. And the Sunbrella fabric panels are fade-resistant and come in a variety of colors. Best of all, our robust Flexy is easy to set up. All you need to do is follow along. Start by laying out all components. Assemble the base as shown. If you're using the deck mount or the ground insert option, please refer to the respective installation guide. Fix the stabilizers to the base. Make sure the bolts are tightened. Fasten the rear support. Screw in the adjustable front support foot. Turn the front piece of the base upside down and insert the 4 long bolts from the bottom of the base up. Hold the bolts in place and flip this base piece right side up. Insert the center support, threading the bolts through the outer holes. Attach the upright pole to the base, making sure the drain hole faces the back of the base. Place washers and nuts on the bolts and tighten firmly. Next, join the upright and cantilever poles. To do this, unscrew the screws on both sides of the upright poles, slip on the cantilever poles, and tighten the screws with the Allen key or your own cordless drill. Consult the distance table and space the bases according to canopy size and installation type. Ensure bases are aligned, horizontal, and on level ground. Anchor each base with a paver. Do a final check of the correct distance between the castings of the cantilever arms. Add weight to the bases, a minimum of 550 pounds per side. This can be achieved with extra pavers or by using planters filled with sand or gravel. After unscrewing the screws, join the crossbars and tighten the screws. Place the canopy package on the table and unwrap. Align the sliders. The rib with the 2 hand wheels and the rib with the drive belt connector must be on opposite ends. Open the belt package. The casting with the crank attachment is on the same side as the rib with the 2 hand wheels. Insert the crossbars, screws facing down. Next, join the castings to the crossbars, mindful of the correct orientation. Tighten the screws with the Allen key and remove the screws from the drive belt connector. Attach the drive side casting to the crossbars in the same fashion. Remove the 4 screws from the bottom of the return side casting. Lead the belt to the return side, making sure it's not tangled or twisted. Attach the return pulley to the casting. Align the belt clamp with the drive belt connector by manually turning the drive shaft, then fasten in place. Support this canopy structure between the table and a stepladder. To install the panels, slide them into the tracks on the bottom of the ribs. Make sure the white welt strip faces the top of the awning. Position the panel so the finished edge is flush with the end of the rib. Place a fastening screw in the small gap between the welt and the aluminum groove. Rotate until the screw pinches the welt cord in the track without pushing the panel back. As you carefully turn the screw, it will grab the welt and the aluminum, holding the panel in position. Repeat these steps on the opposite side of the panel, stretching the panel to give a smooth appearance. Remove the hand wheel and the washer, but keep the spring in place. Now you're ready to mount the sliding canopy on the poles. This next step is best achieved with 2 people using stepladders. Raise the sliding canopy, making sure the spring is in the seat correctly. Join the 2 castings to the poles and screw on the hand wheel, making sure the washer is between the hand wheel and the casting. Move all sliders against the crankside casting, aligning the first slider so that the stems of the hand wheel can lock into the holes of the crossbars. Now, you're ready to enjoy your Flexy. Operating the Flexy is easy. Insert the crank into the drive shaft, keeping the rod perpendicular to the canopy. To tilt the canopy, loosen the hand wheel on both sides to separate the teeth. Once the canopy is repositioned, tighten both hand wheels firmly to close the teeth and hold the canopy in place. The included lock nuts should be used in place of the hand wheels in cases where the tilt angle of the canopy will not be changed frequently. When not in use, close the sliding canopy completely and sheathe with the optional protective cover if desired. Whether you're looking for a small canopy for your patio or you need modular coverage for a large seating area, Flexy is the perfect option. It comes in a variety of sizes that can be linked for continuous installations. Give us a call for more information, 888-551-5221, or visit our website, www.fim-umbrella.com.